Welcome to Dubraska's Delights YouTube channel. Today we're gonna prepare golden chicken. You will need chicken strips, salt, garlic powder, curry powder, buttermilk or yogurt, marinade overnight or for at least an hour. Cover and refrigerate. Sliced mushrooms, oil and butter. Let's saute the mushrooms in small batches. In the same frying pan, let's saute the chicken. Small batches. The chicken will finish cooking with the sauce. Mix the chicken with the mushrooms in a big saute pan. Add heavy cream to the marinade, about 2 cups. Pour over the chicken and bring to a simmer. Add a slurry of cornstarch and milk. Let it simmer. Readjust the seasoning. More curry powder, white wine, a few threads of saffron for golden color. Serve with vermicelli, rice, and pine nuts. Delicious, creamy, yummy. The ingredients in English and Spanish.